Into the lane, the green light is up and they're off and pacing. Tassie's Devil is the first one to show up with Strike the Gold, near followed by the Faithful. The Fascinator will be caught three wide going to the stables corner first occasion. In fact, Tim might be able to get down one, get into the early 1-1. Might be parked as Strike the Gold has a play on the lead on Tassie's Devil. Jimmy McElroy will end up three back on the inside. So the Fascinator and Tim Tetrick to sit out to park. They're followed then by Down Under Strides back with the favourite Say My Name, and back last is Cyclone Prince. Up into the back straight they pace, and it's Strike the Gold. Leading by a length, the Fascinator comes up strongly on the outside, is pressing the leader, but the leader's not there. Tassie's Devil in the trail. There's 4 lengths, Jimmy McElroy. The Faithful to his outside, the lead time in 42.2. 3 lengths away, Down Under Stride. They're followed by the favourite Say My Name and John Dunn. He's back second last, and Cyclone Prince last as a sweep across the showgrounds turn. And Strike the Gold, Simon Lawson wanted the lead and will hold it with the Better's Delight Colt coming on to the lane, a length and a half. From in second is Tassie's Devil in the hands of Ben Butcher. 3 lengths away in the field, the Fascinators got down to the marker line for the Bionic Man and Tim Tetrick. There's 4 lengths away to Jimmy McElroy and the Magic Man Morris McHenry. Then came the Faithful and Zach Butcher. Back in the field, Down Under Stride, the Iceman Tony Hurley. Say My Name, Cyclone Prince and the Wizard Todd Mitchell. They're back last, 30 and 6 the opening quarter. Mitavite Mobile, Stables Corner, final time. Strike the Gold, Tassie's Devil. The Fascinator again looking to work away from the marker line. Then Jimmy McElroy, the Faithful, starts to inch up on the outside, the second favourite. Down Under Stride will get a track home on that. The Fascinator will come out in front of that pair. They're followed by Say My Name and Cyclone Prince. 32 and 3 was the second quarter. Strike the Gold through the back. A length and a half, Tassie's Devil. The Fascinator again. One over on the outside, sitting out park for Tetrick. Back on the inside then to Jimmy McElroy. The Faithful and the Whiz Kid in the 1-1. Zach Butcher. They're followed then by Down Under Stride. Further back is Cyclone Prince and Say My Name. The favourite's got to get around all runners in 6 lengths to make up. 29 and 4 the quarter down the back. Strike the Gold, the Fascinator's right there. Tassie's Devil waiting the passing lane. The Faithful comes off the back of the Fascinator now, then Down Under Stride. Say My Name to the outside. The Fascinator goes to Strike the Gold. The Faithful down the outside. The Fascinator's in front. Strike the Gold. The Faithful down the outside. The Fascinator. The Faithful's coming strongly. The Fascinator. The Faithful. The Fascinator. The Faithful. The Faithful will get up. The Faithful Zach Butcher will beat out the Fascinator and Tim Tetrick. Oh, Zach, he'll want that photo on the wall. They were followed then by Strike the Gold. Further back was Say My Name, Down Under Stride, Tassie's Devil, Jimmy McElroy, Cyclone Prince and 242.5. Home and 27.9.